Hello, super friends. Are you ready to learn how to be strong and full of energy? Today, we're talking about yummy, healthy food that helps you grow big and smart. Think of colorful fruits like apples and bananas and crunchy veggies like carrots and broccoli. These are your body's superheroes. Don't forget water. It keeps you hydrated and ready for all your amazing adventures. Sometimes sugary snacks and greasy fries look tempting, right? But these sometimes foods don't give your body the power it needs. Too much junk food can make you feel tired and not your best. Choosing healthy foods helps you run faster, think clearer, and feel happier every day. Let's make healthy eating a fun game. You've got this, future champions.